Hello students, myself Vijay Badoria, Study Point Inter College Khairabad, Sitapur. Today I am going to explain few questions. Those will help you to understand question number 1 of exercise 3.6. Okay, now first question, the question is solve for x and y. Equations are 2x plus 5y upon xy equal to 6, and second equation is 4x minus 5y upon xy equal to minus 3. How will you solve these equations? See, first is 2x plus 5y upon xy equal to 6. Okay, first is 2x plus 5y upon xy equal to 6. You can write this as 2x upon xy plus 5y upon xy. Okay, you can write it as 2x upon xy plus 5y upon xy equal to 6. Okay, x will cancel out, will cancel out, so here it will remain 2 upon y. Okay, and here it y will cancel out, will cancel out, it will remain in 1 upon x. So 5 upon x, 2 upon y plus 5 upon x equal to 6. Okay, this is equation 1. Now here it is second equation, 4x minus 5y upon xy equal to minus 3. 4x minus 5y upon xy equal to minus 3. You can write this as 4x upon xy, 4x upon xy minus 5y upon xy. Okay, x will cancel out, so it will remain 4 upon y. Here y will cancel out, so it will remain 5 upon x. So 4 upon y minus 5 upon x equal to minus 3. This is second equation. Okay, let putting 1 upon x equal to u and 1 upon y equal to v. So in place of here, in 1 upon y is v, 1 upon y is v, so here it will be 2b, and 1 upon x is u, 1 upon x is u, so in place of 1 upon x it will come u, so 5u. So 2v plus 5u equal to 6, equation number third. And here 1 upon y is v, so 4v minus 1 upon x is u, so 5u, so 4v minus 5u equal to minus 3. This is equation number 4. Okay, adding equation 3 and 4, 5u and minus 5u will cancel out because they are opposite signs. So 4u plus 4b plus 2b equal to 6b, 4b plus 2b equal to 6b, and 6 minus 3 equal to 3. So v equal to 3 upon 6, 6 will come in upon, so v equal to 3 upon 6, 1 3 1 3 and 3 2 so v equal to 1 upon 2. Now putting v equal to, we got v equal to 1 by 2. Put v equal to 1 by 2 in equation 4. Equation 4 is 4v minus 5u equal to minus 3. Equation 4 is 4v minus 5u equal to minus 3. So in place of v it will come 1 upon 2. So 4 into 1 upon 2 minus 5u equal to minus 3. It will cancel out, here it will 2, 2 is 2 into 1 2, so minus 5u equal to 2 plus 3, 5u equal to 5, u equal to 5 upon 5 equal to 1. So u is 1 and u is 1 upon x. You assumed u equal to 1 upon x, so 1 upon x equal to 1, so x equal to 1, and v equal to 1 by 2, v equal to is 1 by 2, but v you assumed 1 upon y, so in place of v we will put 1 upon y, 1 upon y equal to 1 upon 2 there, so y equal to 2. Okay, multiply y with 1 and 2 with 1, so y into 1 y, 2 into 1 2, y equal to 2. Okay, otherwise in the otherwise you can see it in this way, that numerator is same, so where you can compare these two values, so y equal to 2, so x equal to 2 and y equal to 2 is the solution. Now our next question is solve for x and y. 15 upon x minus y plus 22 upon x plus y equal to 5, and 40 upon x minus y plus 55 upon x plus y equal to 13. Okay, let 1 upon x minus y equal to u and 1 upon x plus y equal to v. Okay, so 1 in place of 1 upon x minus y is u and 1 upon x plus y is v. So here it will be 15u because 1 upon x minus y is u, so 15u, and 1 upon x plus y is v, so it will be 22v equal to 5, and 1 upon x minus y is u, so 40u plus 55, 1 upon x plus y is v, so 55v equal to 13. To compare these values, multiply equation 1 by 5, 15 5 the 75, 5 into 22 110, and 5 into 5 25, and multiply equation 2 by 2, so 14 to 2 80, 55 to the 110, 13 to the 26. Okay, subtracting equation 3 from 4, subtract this equation, so 80 minus 75, 5u, it will cancel out because it will sign will change, here it will be minus, so 110 minus 110 cancel out, 26 minus 25, it will be 1, so 5u equal to 1, u equal to 1 upon 5. Now put u equal to 1 upon 5 in equation 3, put u equal to 1 by 5 in equation 3, in place of u, you will put 1 upon 5, so 75 into 1 upon 5 plus 110, 75 into 1 upon 5 is 110, v equal to 25. Okay, so 5 15 ja 5 15 ja 75, so here is 15, so 15 plus 110 v equal to 25. Okay, 15 plus 110 b equal to 25, so shift 15 that side, it will minus, so 110 b equal to 25 minus 15 10, 110 b equal to 10, so v equal to 1 upon 11, because 10 upon 110 it will be 10 upon 110, and it will cancel out 1 upon 11. So 1 upon x minus y equal to 1 upon 5, because u is 1 upon 5 and u is 1 upon x minus y, 1 upon x minus y, u is 1 upon 5 but u is 1 upon x minus y, so u, as you know, u equal to 1 upon 5. Okay, you know u equal to 1 upon 5 and u is 1 upon x minus y, u is 1 upon x minus y, so in place of u, you will put 1 upon x minus y equal to 1 upon 5, and v is 1 upon 11 and v is 1 upon x plus y, so in place of v, you will put 1 upon x plus y, so 1 upon x plus y equal to 1 upon 11. Since numerators are same, so compare this, x minus y equal to 5, here it is also numerator same, so compare x plus y equal to 11, x plus y equal to 11. Solve these equations, x minus y, x plus y. How you will solve? As you are seeing, x minus y equal to 5 and x plus y equal to 11. How will you solve? Add these two equations. On adding, here it is plus, it is minus, it will cancel out. X plus x, it will be 2x, 11 plus 5 16, so x equal to 8. Okay, x equal to 8. Now put the value of x in equation number 2, put the value of x, so equation number, in this equation x plus y equal to 11, x plus y equal to 11, and x is 8, so in place of x, it will put 8 plus y equal to 11, y equal to 11 minus 8, so y equal to 3. Okay, y equal to 3. This is the required solution. Now see in the next question, solve for x and y. Question is 1 upon 2 2x plus y plus 12 upon 7 3x minus 2y equal to 1 upon 2, and second equation is 7 upon 2x plus 3y plus 4 upon 3x minus 2y equal to 2. Okay, here this one has no real meaning, but it is necessary to mention, because 2x plus 3y not equal to 0, here it will be 0, it will be 1 upon 0, and it will be not defined, so this is not in your use, leave it. Now what will we have to do? See, 1 upon, let 1 upon 2x plus 3y equal to u, 1 upon 2x plus 3y equal to u, 1 upon 2x plus 3y is u, so u upon 2, it will be u upon 2, and 1 upon 3x minus 2y equal to v, 1 upon 3x minus 2y equal to v, so 12v upon 7, because here it is 7, 1 upon, you can write 12 into 1 upon 3x minus y, this one as, so 1 upon 3x minus 2y is v, so it will be v, so 12v upon 7 equal to 1 upon 2. Now take LCM of these two and solve. If you are taking LCM, how will we solve? 2 7, LCM of 7 and 2 is 14. Okay, u into 2 7 ja 14, 7 plus 12v is here, 7 2 jas into 2, okay, equal to 1 upon 2. U into 7, u into 7 is 7 u plus 24v and multiply 14 to that side, 24b, and multiply 14 with 1, so 14 to 1 14 upon 2 equal to 14 to 1 14, to cut the 14 with 2 to 7 ja, so 7u plus 24v equal to 7. This is equation 1. Okay, this is equation 1, and similarly you can make this equation here. 1 upon 2x plus 3y is 1 upon 2x plus 3y is u, so it will be 7 u, and here 1 upon, you can write is as 1 upon 2x plus 3y, 7 into 1 upon 2x plus 3y, 1 upon 2x plus 3y is u, so 7 u, and you can write 4 as 4 into 1, 4 into 1, 1 upon 3x minus 2y is v, so 4v, so 7u plus 4v equal to 2. This is second equation. Okay, how will you solve? Subtract equation 2 from 1. When we subtract this equation, let's see, first is 7u plus 24v, 24v equal to 7, and second is 7u plus 4v equal to 2. Subtract these two, it will, here it will minus, it will be minus, here it will be minus, it will cancel out, so 24v minus 4v equal to 20v equal to 7 minus 2 equal to 5, so 20v equal to 5, 20v equal to 5, v equal to 5 upon 20, 5 1 ja 5 4 ja, so v equal to 1 upon 4. On putting v equal to 1 by 4 in equation 2, okay, so v equal to 1 by 4 in equation 2, when we will put 7u plus 4 into 1 upon 4, because v is 1 upon 4, so 4 into 1 upon 4 equal to 2, 4 will cancel out, so 7u plus 1 equal to 2, 7u equal to 2 minus 1, it will be 1, okay, u equal to 1 upon 7, so u is 1 upon 7, u is 1 upon 7, and u is, we let u equal to 1 upon 2x plus y, so in place of u we will put 1 upon 2x plus 3y, in place of u it will come 1 upon 2x plus 3y, because we assume that 1 upon 2x plus 3y equal to u, so in place of u it will come 1 upon 2x plus 3y equal to 1 upon 7 is given, since numerator is same, so compare these two, 2x plus 3y equal to 7. Similarly v is, we have got v as 1 upon 4, v as 1 upon 4, so put v equal to 1 upon 4, we assumed v equal to 1 upon 3x minus 2y, so in place of v put 1 upon 3x minus 2y, 1 upon 3x minus 2y equal to 1 upon 4, because v equal to 1 by 4 and v equal to 1 by 4, this is v, because v is 1 upon 3x minus 2y, so 1 upon 3x minus 2y equal to 1 upon 4, since numerators are same, so compare denominators, 3x minus 2y equal to 4. This is equation 3rd and this is equation 4. Okay, multiplying equation 3rd by 2 and 4 by 3, we have to multiply equation 3 by 2 and 4 by 3, because if you are multiplying this by 2, what will be the value? 4x plus 6y, because you are multiplying in this equation by 2, you are multiplying in this equation by 2, okay, So it will be 2 2s are 4x, 2 3s are 6y, 2 7s are 14. Okay, you are multiplying in this equation by 2. So 2 2s are 4x plus 2 3s are 6y, 2 7s are 14, and you are multiplying in this equation by 3. So 3 3s are 9x, 3 2s are 6y, 3 4s are 12. These are same values, 6y and 6y minus 6y. When will you will add, this is equation 5 now, and this is equation 6. Adding equation 5 and 6, adding equation 5 and adding equation 5 and 6. Equation 5 is 4x plus 6y equal to 14, and 6 is 9x minus 6y equal to 12. When you will add 6y and minus 6y will cancel out. 9x plus 4x 13x, 14 plus 12 26, 13x equal to 26, x equal to 26 upon 13, so it will be, value will be 2. Put x equal to 2 in equation third. Put x equal to 2 in equation third. Equation third is 2x plus 3y equal to 7. So 2 into 2, because here it is 2x plus 3y equal to 7. 2 into 2 because x is 2. So 2 into 2 plus 3y equal to 7. 2 2s are 4. 3y equal to 7. 3y equal to 7. So 3y equal to, when you send this 4 that side, so 7 minus 4 equal to 3. 3y equal to 3. So y equal to 1. So x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is the required solution. Okay, for this question. Now next question I will explain in the next video of exercise 3.6. Thank you and have a good day for you.